Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x. If we have x divided by 5 times, x divided by 5 is equals to 5 divided by x times 5 divided by x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So now we move towards the solution of this problem, and here first we need to multiply this x with this x, and we multiply 5 with this 5. And when we multiply x with x, it will becomes x square divided by, when we multiply 5 with 5, it will becomes 5 square, and this is equals to, in the same pattern we multiply 5 with this 5 and x with this x. So 5 times of 5 is equals to 5 square divided by x times of x is equals to x square. And now here in the next step we need to cross multiply the terms, and we multiply this x square with this x square, and we multiply this 5 square with this 5 square. So we have x square times x square becomes x to the power of 4 is equals to, this 5 square multiplied by 5 square becomes 5 to the power of 4. So you see here this equation will becomes fourth order equation in x variable. Okay, here we need to move this 5 to the power of 4 into the left hand side, and it will be written as x to the power of 4 minus 5 to the power of 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So this equation will becomes fourth order equation. It means that this equation has 4 roots. So now we need to find all that 4 roots of this equation. So further we rewrite this equation as, this is x to the power of 4, and it will be written as x square and its whole square minus, this is 5 to the power of 4, and it will be written as 5 square and its whole square, and this is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we apply the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So when we apply these formula to the above equation, it will be written as, this is a minus b, the value of a is x square minus the value of b is 5 square, into, again we have a plus b, the value of a is x square and the value of b is 5 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x square minus 5 square equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 5 square is equals to 0. So from here we again apply this nice algebraic formula. So according to this, this equation is written as, this will becomes x minus 5 times of x plus 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we again divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 5 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 5 equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of x is equals to 5, and from here we easily get the value of x is equals to minus 5. So in this case we get the two values of x are plus minus 5. These are the two real roots of the given equation. And now here, in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this case, and from here we move this plus 5 square to the right hand side, and it will be written as x square is equals to minus 5 square. And in the next step here we need to remove this square sign from left hand side, and for this we will apply square root on both of the sides. And when we apply square root on both of the sides, it will be written as, this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to, here we apply this square root separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as square root of 5 square multiplied by square root of minus 1. And now here in the next step we have x is equals to, this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 5, and here you see that square root of minus 1 becomes iota. So here you see that this is square root sign which we can apply here on both of the sides. This means that we will write here plus minus sign on any one of the sides. So we get here x is equals to plus minus 5 iota. Okay, so these are the two complex roots of the given equation. So here we obtain these are the 4 roots of the given equation. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is all of the roots are solution or all of the roots are extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is x over 5 multiplied by x over 5 is equals to 5 over x multiplied by 5 over x. So in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as so here first we write before verification, before we start the process of verification, first we write our given question statement into the simplified form. So we have this is x square divided by 5 square equals to, this will becomes 5 square divided by x square. So this is the simplified form of the given question statement. And now here in this side we will be verify x is equals to plus minus 5, and similarly in this side we will be verify x is equals to plus minus 5 iota. Okay, so we verify all of these values. So when we put this value into the given question statement, it will be written as plus minus 5 square divided by 5 square is equals to 5 square divided by plus minus 5 square. And similarly we substitute this value into the given question statement, and it will be written as plus minus 5 iota square divided by 5 square is equals to 5 square divided by plus minus 5 iota whole square. So here we simplify both of these two cases and we check that is these equations are satisfied or not. Okay, so first we can verify this value or this case. Here you see that when we apply square on plus minus sign, it will becomes here positive. Okay, so this will be written as 5 square divided by 5 square is equals to, in the same pattern here we have this is 5 square divided by, again you see that when we apply square on plus and minus sign, it will becomes positive, and we get here this is 5 square. So this and this are gone and we get here 1, this and this are gone and we again get here 1. So this shows that both of the sides are equal when we take x is equals to plus minus 5. In the same pattern we need to verify this case, and here again you have the square of plus minus sign becomes plus, and the square of 5 becomes 5 square, the square of iota becomes iota square, and this is 5 square is equals to, in the same pattern here we have 5 square divided by the square of plus minus sign becomes plus, and the square of 5 becomes 5 square, and the square of iota becomes iota square. This 5 square and this 5 square are gone and we get here this is iota square, and we know about that iota square is equals to minus 1. In the same pattern this 5 square and this 5 square are also gone and we get here 1 divided by iota square, and this iota square is also equals to minus 1. And you know about that 1 divided by minus 1 equals to minus 1, and we clearly get the value, we clearly get both of the sides are equal. So this means that all the values of x are satisfied our given question statement, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.